Hi, Randy Bullock here with DieselArmy.com. We're out in the driveway again, getting ready to do some more towing tech, so to speak, but we got something kind of different here that I've never really seen before, and I don't know how many of you have, so kind of thought I would take a look at it and we'll do a little review of it. It's called a way-safe hitch. When you're towing any kind of a trailer, tongue weight is a major priority that you need to concern with. Too much tongue weight, and you're stressing everything. Not enough tongue weight, and you can lose control of your trailer. So with this, there's actually a small scale involved in the receiver tongue that allows you to know where you're set up on your load. Let's get into the box. We'll see what we got and find out more. Alrighty, this thing is made out of T6 6061 aluminum. Stout is the operative word. The drop portion, now it's my understanding this comes in an 8 and a 10. We got the 8-inch, the ball piece. This here's the neat part. Here's your scale. I don't know how it actually works. I'm not a scientist of any kind whatsoever. But as you load your tongue weight, gives you a reading to let you know exactly whether you're safe or not. If you want to change the ball out, this one actually comes with a 2 and a 2 5/16 inch ball. They come in a 1 7/8 or 2-inch ball combination. But in the back side here, you can see this little recess. There's a little pin. Pull the pin out, change the ball. That simple. Ball is made of stainless steel. The shank is available in sizes for 2-inch, 2.5, and 3-inch. Now, what do we got here? Oh, there's the other ball. Inside. This actually comes with a locking receiver pin, so that's actually handy. There's 2 sets of keys in here, a dust cover, and a dual adjuster. You can adjust the height, and a dual locking pin to hold the receiver ball in place. So that's what we got. Let's get it put on the truck. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna slide the drop hitch piece into the class 5 hitch is what I have on my truck. There's 2 adjustable holes here. You can move the receiver in and out if you need to. So we'll start and just slide him in. Keys. Takes care of him. Alright. Now we also have a dual locking pin. We'll slide him up on. Find a hole. Locked in place. And that's that. Throw your dust cover on. And you're done. Now, again, this is an adjustable hitch. So we just kind of throw our lock in here. Pull this little guy out and set it wherever you want it. Lock it in place. Done. And cover. So, as you can see, it's the standard drop hitch. Really easy to work with. So, next up on the agenda, we're going to hook up to the trailer and show you how the scale works. Okay, we've got our trailer hooked up. Now the next thing to do is we're going to load a tractor onto the trailer and kind of show you how the scale works. Move the tractor back and forth, kind of give you an idea what we're looking to do, and that way you can see how this thing actually happens. Now right now I've got it all the way to the back of the trailer. I'm going to roll it ahead and get it so we can add some tongue weight and you'll be able to watch the scale actually start to climb. Now as you can see, it started to put a little bit of weight on the tongue. The scale started to come up. We're still a little light on the tongue, but we'll bring it up some more. Now, we're ahead of center on the trailer with the tractor, but that kind of gives you an idea of what you can end up seeing and what you're looking for as you're loading whatever you're loading onto the trailer. So we'll back it up again. You can see the rack down. Now all the weight is on the back of the trailer. So we're in a situation where it's not safe to tow. So we'd have to move it ahead, set your weight where you want it, and again, we're all good to go. And that's how easy this thing works. So with a little bit of math, you can get your load centered up exactly where you want it, weigh it safely, and tow it wherever you need to, safely. Thanks a lot.